The Sandbar Ultimate Party Boat is made for those who want to spend the day at the hottest gathering places on any waterway. Race to your destination on the standard, triple, high-performance pontoons, and when you get there, enjoy the rear bar and music center, and the reclining rear lounge chair with footrest. Or move to the front where a dinette with umbrella awaits. The 27-foot model also has a refrigerator center and a sink for a complete entertaining experience. And when you're all settled down, raise your flag on the standard 25-foot flagpole to let your friends know where the party is. Find your secret spot with the Avalon Sandbar.